Good morning, dear children. As you are knowing, your exam is due from next week, is it not? So you need to start with your studies. So today we'll do with the revision of lesson number 11, that is respiration. We will discuss some of the long answers, that is exercise D. Okay, here we will start with answer number 1. What is question number 1? Question number 1 is name and explain in one sentence each the two main processes of respiration. So here basically what you have been asked to do, two main processes of respiration you have to tell. So what are the two main processes of respiration? The two main processes of respiration are external respiration and internal respiration. Try to recollect again what is external respiration and internal respiration. What is external respiration also called as? It is also called as breathing. What happens in breathing? What happens in external respiration? In breathing, we take in oxygen. Taking in of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide is nothing but breathing. Okay, which is also called as external respiration. Second type of respiration is internal respiration. Okay, internal respiration is also called as cellular respiration. Okay, it is also called as cellular respiration. And what happens in cellular respiration? Here, oxygen which is being taken inside the body, okay, is being broken down. It breaks down, helps in breaking down the food so as to form the energy or to generate energy. What is being said? I will again repeat. Cellular respiration is the one where food is being broken down with the help of oxygen. And why is this food broken down? So as to make up with the energy. Children understood with the first answer? Now we will discuss with the second answer. Let us see what is the question. Question number 2 is, how does exchange of gases occur in the following? First is fish and cockroach. So here we have to tell how that exchange is happening, how oxygen is taken in and how carbon dioxide is going out. In two organisms we are going to discuss. First one is fish and second one is cockroach. So let us see what happens in fish. Children, you are knowing fish are having gills. Okay, inside this gills, okay, what are there? Small filaments are there, thread-like sections are there. Okay, and these filaments have got some minute or very thin veins which are called as capillaries. So now what will happen? Whenever they will take in this blood which is there in the capillaries will absorb oxygen which has been taken inside by the fish. Okay, so this capillaries containing blood will take up oxygen, will absorb oxygen, and in the same way they will give out carbon dioxide. I will repeat again. Fish will take in oxygen, will go into the gills. From gills it will go into the filament, and inside the filament there are small capillaries. So these capillaries, they will absorb the blood which is there in these capillaries will absorb oxygen, and in the same way carbon dioxide will be given out. Let us see what happens in cockroaches. Cockroaches, you must have learned, children, that they are having two small openings on the side. Okay, these openings they are called as spiracles. They are called as spiracles, and inside the spiracles it gets branched up into many tubes. Those tubes are called as respiratory tubes, and then they are called as, this respiratory tubes they are called as trachea. Okay, and further this trachea another way develops into tracheoles, and then the exchange of gases takes place. That is, they take in carbon with this oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Understood, children? Now we will discuss with D6 answer. Okay, what is D6 question? Explain with the help of a diagram the structure of human lungs and how exchange of gases occurs in the lung. Here you are supposed to draw a diagram. Okay, and at the same time you have to explain the structure of lungs. Okay, so what exactly is there inside the lung, that is what we have to tell. So basically, knowing that lungs will have, two lungs will be there, these lungs, they will branch, they will go into two, that is called as bronchus. further branch into many, and those are called as bronchioles. Can you see here bronchioles? Okay, this is one of the bronchioles, and this bronchioles will further now go into this air sacs. These air sacs are nothing but alveoli. They are called as alveoli. So now exactly what will happen? Air will finally reach into this air sacs. Okay, and these air sacs, they are surrounded by blood vessels. Surrounding the air sacs, there are many blood vessels. Okay, so ultimately the oxygen which is taken in through the lungs will go into the bronchus. From bronchus it will go into the bronchioles, and from bronchioles it will finally reach into the alveoli, which are being surrounded by blood vessels. So these oxygen will go into the blood vessels. Okay, and same way when it goes into the blood vessels, again their exchange of gases will take place, and carbon dioxide which is there will move from blood vessels, then alveoli, then bronchioles, then bronchi, then lungs, and then through the mouth. Okay, so again the carbon dioxide will be moving on. Understood? Now let us see D7 answer. What is D7 question? Let's see. How are combustion and cellular respiration similar to each other? In what ways are they different? Okay, so here what has been asked? What is similar? What is common in combustion and in cellular respiration? And at the same time they are asking what are the basic differences between these two. Okay, so what is similarity between combustion and cellular respiration? In combustion and cellular respiration, similar chemical reactions take place, and in both of them they release energy, that is they give out the energy. And what is the difference between combustion and cellular respiration? Combustion happens very fast, whereas cellular respiration takes place slowly. Combustion can take place anywhere. Okay, it's not in a particular place, it can take place anywhere, whereas cellular respiration will happen only in living cells. Combustion will occur only when the temperature is high. Okay, whereas cellular respiration will occur where? At the body temperature. In combustion, energy is released in single step. Energy will be given out in what? In single step only the reaction will be completed, and what they will give out? In presence of heat and light. Whereas cellular respiration, it will occur in many steps, and at the same time they will be stored. Energy will be stored in the form of chemical molecules which are called as ATP. So this is all today we have done with the revision of respiration. Next time we may revise with transportation in plants and animals. Students, please study well. It's very high time, very less time is remaining with you. So get serious and start with your studies. Thank you.